Now the third question is the average of 20 numbers is 0. Of them, how many of them may be greater than 0 at the most? So here listen, we have to find the number of positive numbers, that is numbers which are greater than 0 at the most. So here listen, the average of 20 numbers is 0. So what is the average of 20 numbers? The average of 20 numbers will be equal to the sum of 20 numbers divided by the number of numbers which is 20. So the average of 20 numbers is sum of 20 numbers divided by 20, and this is equal to what? By using the given question we know that this is 0. Now if we bring this 20 to the opposite side, then what will we get? Then we will get that the sum of 20 numbers is equal to 0 into 20. So whenever we need the sum, then we have to multiply the average and the number. That is very important. So hereafter we are not going to write this formula again and again. So this is always understood. That is, if we want to find the sum, then we have to multiply the average and the number of observations. This is always understood. So here the sum of 20 numbers will be equal to this average 0 into the number of numbers which is 20. So 0 into 20 is 0. So hence the sum of 20 numbers will be equal to 0. So at the most, how many positive numbers will be there? So therefore at the most there can be 19 positive numbers. Why this is 19? Because if we take these 19 numbers, that is, if we take the sum of these 19 numbers as x, then if we take the 20th number as minus x, then x minus x will be equal to this 0. So therefore at the most 19 positive numbers can be there. So hence out of these four options, option D, 19 is the required.